There we go. This is not for people who want to get rich overnight, okay? But if you want to make, let's say, $35, $40 a day, $50 a day, follow me. There's going to be a link in the description box, okay? Just click on it and it's going to take you to my referral code, okay? And you can start getting new affiliate associates for yourself, okay, and start selling these products. This is Temu. Temu is sort of a Amazon company, okay? They are a wannabe Amazon company. They pretend to be just like Amazon down the road, okay? Eventually they will become. They're starting off in America and they're investing a lot of money, okay? Why don't you get some of that money? Just click on my referral link and start doing the very same thing that I'm doing right now. Get some people to be an affiliate associate with Temu, and you're gonna be starting making some money. You're not gonna get rich, okay? But $35, $40 a day, that really helps, okay? It does help me. I'm in South Beach, Florida. Not living the great life, but at least living a good life with the help of the good Lord, okay? God bless you and God bless America. Temu. Click on the link. God bless you.